The user experience of any UCaaS provider is instrumental in ensuring high user adoption and peak productivity. By incorporating the same consumer-grade design principles into the administrative environment, admins are as productive as end users. So let's see the Fuze Hub in action. As the global administrator at HQ, Dean needs to add a new user, Joseph, to the growing regional Denver location. To start, he simply clicks on Add User. Then enters the user's name and email. Adds him to the Denver location. And select the appropriate department. Then, he simply selects the type of services and voice plan for Joseph based on his individual job requirements. Lastly, Dean chooses a phone number to assign to Joseph and simply clicks on Create User. It's that simple. Before Joseph's first day of work, Alma, the local IT manager in Denver, gets a request to add collaboration to Joseph's Fuze services and provision a phone for his desk. First, she clicks Browse Users and does a quick search for Joseph. We can see that Joseph currently has voice services only. She selects Joseph's profile, then clicks on Edit, selects Messaging, Voice, and Collaboration, and clicks on Update Services. Joseph has now been upgraded to include collaboration. While still in Joseph's profile, Alma clicks on Add Phone. Then, once she grabs a phone from the stock in the Denver office, she quickly scans the barcode to assign Joseph's unique MAC address to the phone. She clicks on Assign, and Joseph's phone is now fully provisioned and ready to go. Fast forward 1 week. Alma gets a notice that another new employee, Sally, will also be starting in the Denver office. Sally has the same role as Joseph, which will streamline things. Alma first clicks on Locations, selects Denver, and finds Joseph. Then, she clicks on Clone User and fills out Sally's name and email address. The location and department are automatically copied from Joseph's user profile. The type of services and service options are also cloned from Joseph's profile. So Alma simply chooses a phone number and clicks on Create User to finish creating Sally's profile. 6 months later, back at HQ, Dean receives a notification that Joseph will be leaving the company. However, there's already a replacement to take his role. Right from the headquarters, he can search for Joseph and click on Deactivate User without even bothering Alma from the Denver location. He can either stop services or, in this case, reassign the services to a new user. He can even retain Joseph's voicemails before completing this step. Once reassigned, all of his services, phone numbers, and call flow settings are transferred to the new user. The new user is also assigned to the same location and department. Dean simply fills out the new user's name and email, then selects Finish Reassigning. The old user is deactivated and the new user is created. It's that simple.